Rider Consumer Rights. As per the letter and intent of the Washington Administrative Code related to consumer rights, WAC 388-877-0600 and 70.96A, 71.05, 71.12, and 71.34 RCW, each and every consumer of rider shall have the right to 1. Be treated with respect and dignity and in a manner sensitive to your individual needs. 2. Develop a plan of care and services which meets your unique needs. 3. Receive care which does not discriminate against you and is sensitive to your race, color, creed, national origin, language, religion, gender, age, sexual orientation, or disability. 4. Be reasonably accommodated for any sensory or physical disability or limitations in communication and English proficiency and cultural differences. 5. Be protected from invasion of privacy, except that staff may conduct reasonable searches to detect and prevent possession or use of contraband on the premises of the agency. 6. Refuse any proposed treatment consistent with the requirements in the Involuntary Treatment Acts, Chapters 71.05 and 71.34 RCW. 7. Be protected at all times from abuse by staff or other patients who are on agency premises, including sexual abuse or harassment, sexual or financial exploitation, racism or racial harassment, and physical abuse or punishment. 8. Have all clinical and personal information treated in accord with state and federal confidentiality regulations 70.02, 71.05, 71.34 RCW, 275-54, 275-55 WAC, 42 CFR Part 2. 9. Have the opportunity to review your treatment record in the presence of an agency administrator or designee. 10. Be fully informed regarding fees charged, including fees for copying records to verify treatment and methods of payment available. 11. Receive an explanation of all medications prescribed, including expected effect and possible side effects. 12. Have the opportunity to have clinical contact with a same-gender counselor if requested and determined appropriate by the supervisor, either at the agency or by referral. 13. Be provided reasonable opportunity to practice the religion of choice as long as the practice does not infringe on the rights or treatment of others or the treatment service, and to refuse to participate in any religious practice. 14. Be allowed necessary communication with your custodial parent or legal guardian, with an attorney, and in an emergency situation. 15. Be fully informed and receive a copy of counselor disclosure requirements described under RCW 18.19.060. 16. Receive a copy of patient grievance procedures upon request and to lodge a complaint with the provider if you believe your rights have been violated. If you lodge a complaint or grievance, you shall be free of any act of retaliation. For King County clients of the publicly funded mental health system and their family members, the right to access the Ombud service to assist you in filing a grievance. The Ombud service person's phone number is 1-800-790-8049. 17. Be given 30 days notice, be assisted with relocation, given funds to which you are entitled, and advised how to access the records to which you are entitled in the event of an agency closure or treatment service cancellation. Ryder believes this requirement includes an obligation on our part to take all reasonable steps to ensure that services are delivered in such a manner as to be acceptable to persons who are veterans or are of varying racial, ethnic, and cultural backgrounds, national origin, and sensitive to the difference of sex, age, language, physical, mental, or sensory disability, creed, socioeconomic status, marital status, sexual orientation, or ability to pay. Should you require an interpreter in communicating with Ryder staff, one will be provided upon request with advance notice at no additional charge.